Hi, my name is Gracelynne Danielle.
Hello, my name is Sascha.
Hi, my name is Qanita.
And I'm the leader of Restoring Borneo Wildlife.
And I am a part of Restoring Borneo Wildlife.
And I'm the head of design for Restoring Borneo Wildlife.
So Restoring Borneo Wildlife is a student-led initiative aimed to alleviate the destruction of Indonesia's wildlife and forests.
We started this project because as time went on, we realized that the air quality has worsened and decreased in quality over the past few decades.
In particular in Borneo, where deforestation, wildfires, and animal poaching runs rampant and is an urgent issue that requires utmost attentiveness.
Restoring Borneo Wildlife has been in constant communication with Borneo Orangutan Survival Foundation, also known as BOSF.
And through BOSF, they've pointed out certain issues and programs that actually need more financial support.
And so what we do as a group is we help support them by raising large sums of money, as well as to advocate on environmental conservation on their behalf.
Now, since I'm the media director, I believe that through my medium of reaching out to people all over the world online, it's capable of inspiring other people to get up and do what we are doing.
We have also traveled to Borneo to witness and experience firsthand these habitats and ecosystems, wildlife that we are fighting to protect rely on.
So after this trip, we have also been in close contact with numerous schools and have presented and hosted a storytelling competition. And we have also designed merchandise and sold them to raise money and funds for BOSF.
For the past 3 months, we have raised a total of approximately 30 million rupiah through selling our design merchandise at school events around Jakarta.
We have already reached out to 2 schools in Jakarta to expand our organization, to allow more students to actively collaborate with us. We hope to continue to expand this initiative further in the future.
Our direct efforts mainly concern improving the well-being of wildlife and habitats, which is in line with Sustainable Development Goal number 15, Life on Land.
All the money that we've raised goes into the care and maintenance of these animals and in the BOSF headquarters.
To help with their efforts to fight forest fires by providing the money to purchase personal protective equipment.
So another issue that we've been tackling is climate action.
Along with those efforts, this is also a pretty complex issue because everything in nature is a cause and consequence of each other.
Which is why we advocate for environmental conservation through the teaching of children, the prevalence of harms of palm oil products, and also to reuse and recycle.
So in terms of how we work as a team, being in a smaller group has played a really big advantage because it reduces any friction of communication. For instance, we just directly message each other and are able to adapt quickly and make rapid decisions. We separate the work into different fragments so that design, social media, events coordination are handled by different people, catering to each of their personal strengths.
We hosted a storytelling competition for children in the ages of 3 to 8 under the theme of environmental conservation. And we did this to encourage these young children to conduct further research beyond their school curriculum about the prevalence of deforestation and poaching in Indonesia and the importance of conserving the wildlife. We also did this to encourage young students to present their findings in creative and accessible ways, such as through storytelling, creating short skits, poetry, songwriting, creative outlets.
As a group, we've also done something similar in our own school. During online learning, our young peers were inspired to advocate and create change in their own homes.
We continue to provide children with more opportunities to contribute, and together we can make a change,
one person at a time.